Hi, it's Jenny from Coding Workshops for Kids. Welcome to my video journal. I'd like to take you through what we learned at our Scratch coding workshop just recently. So what we explored was how we could customize our own backdrops, as well as how to create our own sprites. So if we go have a look at our backdrops area here, we can have a look that there is a backdrops tab as well. So this is an area where if you click onto the Paint New Backdrop tool, it opens up your own creativity screen, I'd like to call it, where you can design and create or draw your own backdrop that you would like to see displayed in your Scratch project. Other things we explored was how do we create our own sprites. As you may know, sprites are characters that you can use to create your own games or animation stories and other videos in Scratch. You do have an option of having a look at the Sprite Library, and you also do have the option of painting your new sprite, which is what we explored at our workshop. So you can see here we've drawn a rough image of a boat that we're going to use in our high seas activity Scratch project, as well as we've got another sprite here where we've actually drawn an image of a wave. So we've got a boat and a wave drawn, and now what we are having a look at is looking at a particular a code block called change effect. And this little block is amazing. It allows you to implement lots of different effects. So for example, I've got the color effect here, and if I actually just click onto this code block, you can see that the colors change around. Okay, I can always click onto my clear graphic effects down here to remove any of the effects that I may have applied. I can go and select a fisheye, and let's have a look at what happens there. You can see that it just changes the look a little bit. Let's have a look at a pixelated version. There you go. So if you're drawing any Minecraft characters or any pixelated look effect, you can definitely have a look at that. Mosaic, that's what a mosaic effect looks like, and a ghost. There we go. Let me just clear graphic effects and have a look at the whirl effect as well. So if I click onto the whirl, we're trying to use the whirl effect to make our wave roll and move to have that wavy look. So you can see here as I click onto this block, the wave actually moves and whirls around ever so slightly, and you can change the effect gradient by the number that you allocate into this area here. We'll see you next time.